Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another fun unboxing to share with you guys and a manicure inspired in the product that they sent me to review. This product was received complimentary from Beekman 1802 and BzzAgent. Let's get started. I started off applying one coat of the Sally Hansen Color Therapy nail polish called Daisy Dreaming. Now I'll apply a second coat. Once it dries, it has a satin finish. For my design, I'll be using this Nicole Diary stamping plate ND112. And I'll try stamping with this Sinful Colors nail polish called Slate. For the line design, I'll use this COSEDORA plate called Hidden Garden, as well as her yellow stamping polish called Hello Sunshine. I place the polish onto the plate and scrape off the excess. But when I pick up the image, I notice that it's going to be a little bit too light for the nail. So I'm going to try a different polish. And to clean off the plate, I use a strawberry color to hold a cotton ball, which I dip in acetone. I also use it to clean the scraper. And to clean off the stamper, I'll use my lint roller. I found another Sinful Colors polish in my collection. This one is called Ardoise, and I'm going to try using this one instead because it's a lot darker. This one looks much better. And I'll use a little piece of tape to clean up around the nail. Since I didn't stamp the image quickly enough on my nail, the polish dried a little bit and that's why the image turned out like this. But on the other nails, I'll do it quickly so that this doesn't happen. That looks great. Let's stamp the yellow line. Since it's a little short, I'll stamp it one more time. Now that my nails are done, we can start with the unboxing. And this is the product that they sent me. It's from Beekman 1802. This is their Bloom Cream Probiotic Moisturizer, a multitasking cream that softens, soothes, and moisturizes with goat milk, colostrum, and milk probiotic. It's 1.69 fluid ounces. Here's a list of ingredients. And this is the inspiration for my manicure. Let's take everything out of the package. Wow, this is really pretty. I love the detail. This little booklet has information about the brand. I love the attention to detail. It has their logo on this little string here, very nice. And here's the moisturizer and a little card with information. Let's see what it says. Okay, it has information again about the brand and their social media, beekman1802.com, and you can find them at beekman1802. It says to press down to dispense the moisturizer. Oh, that's so pretty. It seems to have a very light texture. So let's apply it. Wow, it's very, very creamy. And it doesn't have a fragrance. My skin feels really, really good and smooth, not oily or greasy. And a little bit goes a long way because I only took a little bit and I feel like my skin is very, very moisturized. That feels great. Let's compare. I'm gonna start using this moisturizer today and share my experience on Instagram. My new name is jennystone.21. I'll have a link in the description box below. I want to send out a thank you to Beekman 1802 and BzzAgent for sending me this product to review and share with you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye! I'd love to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed my content and click the thumbs up button to let me know you did. I appreciate the support.